Meghalaya through the Deputy Commissioner of West Garo Hills, Meghalaya. Subject, reminder petition for immediate release of 5 months SSC teachers pending salaries. Respected sir, with deep respect and gracious honor, on behalf of all the members of all Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association and teaching community in general, that we SSA teachers had not been paid 5 months pending salaries since August 2022 till date. That sir, on account of non-release of said pending salaries, teachers had to suffer a lot both physically, mentally, and economically in order to meet our day-to-day domestic life as well as children's educational needs in the family. That's sir, in other parts of the state, SSC teachers have been paid their salaries regularly and monthly as per PAB of 2020-21, whereas SSC teachers of Meghalaya need to build a nation with empty stomach, which has been beyond our ability and capacity, and it's really hard for us. If government keep on continue to unclear all our pending salaries for long, most of the Meghalaya SSA schools may turn into a single-digit students in future, and it may stand to close down by the new education policy of the state government, mainly due to the irregular payment of our salaries. That's sir, though education is the top and first priority among all other departments in the state, but in practical and reality, we agree SSC teacher has to suffer a lot in general, with lot of mental tension in looking after the children in the family and society as a whole, mainly due to the non-release of 5 months pending salaries. Therefore, your generosity may examine our problems and redress our grievances with immediate effect. We are not satisfied with the release of 1 or 2 months salaries within the 5 months. Our genuine demand is that all the 5 months salaries should be clearly paid for Christmas at any cost by the competent authority of the state. If not paid, we have no option, but the situation may compel us to launch the stronger agitation program. Therefore, sir, we humbly urge you to initiate necessary measures to clear all the 5 months pending salaries at once at the earliest. This is for your kind information and necessary action. Thanking you in anticipation, yours faithfully, President and Secretary, Aksata. 한쪽으로 소셜 디스턴스 동전 약간 겠나? 전화 끊으면 와야. 나 이거 나는데. 지금 오늘 왜 그러나? 지금 오도 무슨 동전? MBC랑 다 그런데. Dia pernah iban kita nangingam. Anseng batang kepa Riang kepa November jani cisa tarik kepa All Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association sit and demonstration ko ya biapo dakang hacham aruwa dakangani maksonganira ansingna jabrina keng ansini dol maharang ko manjang ini geman Central Government ni dengkang manca anjina watat teman PAB Jongotan Project Approval Board ko watat ahomang ba anjina State Government ni release kaljani geman anjingara wa November cisa tarik ko ba government no molmola ha aru anjini namne kijanirang ko anjini susu kong kijanirang ko anjini dengkang manca State Government no dabian nirang ko dakang ha ani ba wa somaya ni State Government dalo na kengkeng ba anjina onna kada fail ha batang keman somaya anjing gisik rat na kita mamgen August ni cibri jariko GOI Jongotan Government of India dengkang manca Meghalaya Education Department na PAB ko tariye August ni cibri jariko
anjina PD ko Meghalaya government na Meghalaya state government na watat mana hacem andi mang dalo anjina state government anjina dingtang manca nangeng kepa salary rang ko nakata fail waha anda ke gisik rat nakata mangen dal salo na ya December dal tarik 30 tarik ko na anjing jabunga waha anjini salary rang ko mangi ja dalo na keng jabung waha
patang man salango tsinga tsingni salary rang ko manjani gemen November 14 tarik rangon tsinga sit and demonstration rang ko dakka hacem andi mangba dalo na keng ba MDA government na go kata rakke tsingni dabi ani rang ko khna chakja uni gemen tsinga dalo December jani 14 tarik ko apsan diken tsinga yano na ribai saksot bunga mang ki charang ribai tsinga yano tsingni dabi ingpa jikon tsinga jabunga na salary rang ko man ko jachum warang ko manjang ani gemen tsinga apsan dike yano jigalani ko tsinga daktainga aru ya jigalani rango mkhangchi tsinga tsingni dabi ani rang ko khna chakang ku jang ode tsinga rakbat ko ba kurang ko gaangen aru yani gisepon nokdang ni nekani rang namen bagbiya Christmas rang sipanga ha de rang na dingthang koros rang ko kana ranga nokdang ni nangani rang banga aru bulsi gmko tsingni bakhi kham khat so parang na tsinga warang ko gamna gata ranga patang man sumai rang mo janap kumun gata school fees rang electric bill rang aru na agriba dingthang nokdang ni nangani rang bangbiya warang ko tsinga tsingni nokdang rango dalbi gpa problem rang ko tsinga chagronginga aru ani gisepon anchini kosako dongpa government anchina order rang ko natinga December ni progresa tariko na school rang ko kulina nanggen unusa chupna mangen aro January 6 tariko school rang ko kuli thepna nanggen imna
personally joint secretary ni kita remchakson maksa matkele khatte gaba kana ni kuwa kana tanang leki ha anchini dalga barang da shot thang kana ni rang ko agana ha aro iya ko anchini dalo mainau ni ngacem ya maksonga ni ko anchini angni kisanchi dongba benaro ba agal sakna parakinga dalo government no basung khariyo kam ka ang gaba sakantian antan thangni nengani bitheko jabon no managta ha dongi ni simsoa apsan deke chunga ongaba gadangos kipa SS teacher state samagra siksa jekon sarva siksa ni manderang masia sarva siksa bian ne aro patang lu sumerang ko deke mbaha dalo chungni ning sikmani bitheko jabon ro akhana node chade ya sumaira tumba mantaja aru yan nakba obosara ya bulsilsan ya sumayusan tsinga sagrong inga uja batang dulu sumaira moba sagrong ha lebe dingthang mancha ya sumayo tsingni ka oksipni matnas kaniera particularly jingta Christian state to dongba manderang na namin excite ongba sumayo ma mainai no dagpa Christian ni mania ni sal aru sumai si phanga ha apsan sumai ketal gaba bulsi ko manani sal aru sumai ba si phang bi ha yan na ko celebration ng kotak ganyo anchang chikrang ba Christian rang tintang mansa antang tang ni bella mani kri char nga kana
demonstration and submitting so many memorandums to the state government has failed to fulfill our demands. That is the reason why we have to organize for the second phase of demonstration here. So all of us know that the PAB, the Project Approval Board, the Government of India has already been sanctioned on the 14th of August 2020. Even after receiving the Project Approval Board, the state government of Meghalaya has failed to release our salaries. So since last 4 months, we SSC teachers of Meghalaya have not been received our pending salaries. So for the time being, it's already been now 5 months, including this festive season, the month of December. So we are not satisfied with the negativity response of the state government. So I would like to appeal the state government of Meghalaya to release our 5 months pending salaries immediately during this festive season. If the state government has failed to be met with our demands, then we are ready to take another stronger future course of action. Even boycotting all the regular classes, and after that even conducting the exams, annual examination. We are ready to boycott all these activities of our SSC teachers in our schools. If the government has failed to fulfill our demands, so after that, our children, our kids are dying of starvation because of the non-release of the state government, non-release of our salaries of the state government of Meghalaya.
지금 얻어보시고 지금 얻어보시고